Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send video message note in WhatsApp. So just open your WhatsApp here, and for example I want to send a video message here. Then you have to just hold your hand or finger, your thumb in this camera icon. Now once you hold it up, automatically you will see sound will start and it will start recording. Right now once I stop my or once I slide to cancel, so I can cancel if I just slide towards the left side, or I want to send a video message note, then I have to swipe towards upward. So once I do it, automatically this video is recorded right now and I can send it. So once I send it, and this will be become that how you can send video message note in WhatsApp. So it's really easy and helpful. If you found this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.